In this video, let us learn how to write the program to convert decimal to binary, octal and hexadecimal, and also vice versa. That means any of these value from binary, octal or hexadecimal to decimal. So this is a Python program example. So please watch the video till end and learn like how to convert a number to different number system. So when you talk about number system, here is a binary, octal, decimal and hexadecimal. Let us understand what is this first. In case of binary, so you can see that base is 2, it will have only 2 digits 0 and 1. So any number you need to convert to binary means it should be represented by 0 or 1. So in case of octal, base is 8. So here you have up to 7. So you don't have 8, 9, okay. So there is only 0 to 7. In case of decimal, it's a base 10. So it will have 0 to 9. In case of hexadecimal, its base is 16. So after 9, it's A, B, C, D, E, F. So generally, how to convert to binary? So if any number is given, so how do we convert to binary? For example, let's take an example of 5. So you want to convert into binary, then what you have to do is you take 5, so divide by 2, so 2 times, 1 is a remainder, so again 2 1 time and 0 is the remainder. Now you get to 101. So 101 is a binary format for 5. So how do we cross verify? If you cross verify 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2. So what it is? 1 to the power of 0 is 0, 1 actually. 2 to the power of 1 is 2, 2 to the power of 2 is 4. Now if multiply 1 into 1, you will get 1. 2 into 0, you will get 0. 4 into 1, 4. So if you add everything, you will get the 5 again. So now this is the decimal number. This is how you can convert to binary. So and this is the binary number. So again binary to decimal, you have to take to the power of 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2 and find the corresponding values. Then you multiply with these numbers, corresponding numbers. Then you need to add everything. Then you will get the decimal value. This is the logic behind it. But in the program we'll use the functions. So if you know some basics of it is very good. But in program we'll use the built-in functions and I'll show you like how to do this whole concept. Okay, so I just open a new file. So here we can write. So let's take the number. So this is a decimal number. So that is equal to some 8. Okay, initially we'll take as a 8. Now this we want to display in a binary format. So first let's say binary. So in order to display it in binary, you have to write print. This is the num, then comma. So in binary is colon, comma. So now in order to make it binary, you have to use the bin function. Bin right. So the function number is the num. Num is the where it will have the value. Fine. So save this file. Now run. So you can see that 8 in binary, that is OB1000. So this is the binary format. So 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3. So what is 2 to the power of 3? 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8. So this is 8. Okay. So therefore 8, it's in binary format. So same way, let us try with octal. So in order to make it octal, so you have to make it OCT. So what is it? Is a function and this is in the octal format. Octal. Right, now run. So this becomes this is 0. This indicate O is octal. This B indicate binary. So in case of octal, it's 8 to the power of 0, 8 to the power of 1. So 8 to the power of 0, 1 and 8 to the power of 1, 8. Okay, 1 into 0, so 0, 1 into 1, 8. Okay, therefore it is 8. That's correct. Now next one is hexadecimal. So for hexadecimal, it's a x. Hex is the function. So this is hexadecimal. Right. Let's run this. So now it is 0, x, and this is 8. Okay. So 8 is given as a 8 only. Because in hexadecimal it will take up to 9 A, B, C, D, E. But if you take 18, then what will happen? So then you can see that 1, 2. So in hexadecimal it displays a 1, 2. So if you take 15, so this is F. In hexadecimal it is a F. So if you take another number like big number, so you can see that this is the corresponding binary value. So this is the corresponding of hexadecimal value. This is the corresponding of hexadecimal value. Fine. Now you convert it into binary. Now from these numbers, again you want to get back to the decimal value. So next, what you can do is so binary to decimal. So when you want to from binary to decimal, let's say beware. So we'll pass to beware, over. We'll pass to this over, and then x var, h var. Now the values are in the corresponding variables. So now when you say binary to decimal, fine. So now it's a b var. B var is a binary number now. So this b var is a binary. Now binary to decimal. Here it is the int function. Int b var comma 2. Comma 2 indicate now this b var is in the base 2. Now this b var is in the base 2. So base 2 to base 10. So integer will convert to base 10. Now let's run. So here you take an input value as a number 15. So now you can see that 15 is changed to this binary, octal and hexadecimal. Again this is the binary value, and when you convert back you will get the 15. So same way, so we need to change to octal and as well as the hexadecimal. Fine. So in case of octal is a O var, in case of hexadecimal is a H var. So here is a O var, is a H var. So here is a base 8. So because the value is in base 8, and here is at the 16. So okay. Now run this. So you will get 15, 15, 15. So this is to convert to binary. This is converted to binary, and again binary to decimal. So here is octal to decimal, and this is hexa to decimal. So binary, octal, hexa to decimal. So now if we give any value, so that will change to corresponding values. So hope you understand this. So you need to know the functions. So one is bin, octal, hex, int with the base value. So earlier we know int function to convert it to integer, but now we need to understand the base. Okay, int base of 8, it's in the octal. Int base of 16, it's in the hexadecimal. So this is the concept. So please practice and keep watch our videos and keep learn each day. And also please subscribe to our channel and also share our videos with your friends and family members. Thank you very much.